This is height adjustable card effect. Now today I'll show you how to create that and prototype it in Figma. Now let's jump to it. On the left I have a sample page, on the right I have a tall card. First let's create the short card. And when we hold Option and drag, we can have a replica of the tall card. Now let's name it short card. Next, let's adjust the height. Hold Command and adjust the height of this frame. Second, we adjust the height of this picture and double click. Select crop to adjust the position of this picture. Next is the button. Flip vertical. Now we have two variants of one card. Let's create a component set. Let's call it cards. Next, prototype. Select this button in prototype page. Drag. On tab, change to property 1 short card. Instant. Let's select Smart Animate to see how smart Figma is. And next, change to property 1 tall card, Smart Animate. Okay, now let's create an instance of this component. Drag, drop. Next, we need to apply a constraint between this card and this card so that if the card changes its height, the lower cards will follow. Let's select this card group and this card and create a auto layout. By clicking here, add auto layout, or you can press Shift A to create that. Auto layout. Now we have a constraint here, a vertical gap between items. It's 14. Now let's try. Yes. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye.